Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Saksham Digital Technology. In this video, we are going to start our Python. So for Python, we are writing our code for Hello World, print Hello World. So the syntax of printing the Hello World is this. You can see our output is shown in the display, and after this, we are learning about the syntax of the Python. We have lot of syntax error because in the Python we have indentation error. So for following the indentation type, so we are learning about syntax error. So I am just writing a normal code, means valid code for the particular if condition. So if 5 is greater than 3, sorry, if 5 is greater than 3. So we are writing if 5 is greater than 3, so we are printing 5 is greater than 3. So our code is running, and after this we are just adding 5 is greater than 4, but we are print function in the starting, not in the format of indentation. We are just writing in the bottom of the if condition. So 5 is greater than 4, and just run this. You can see we have error expected and indented block. This is the syntax error for indentation error. And after this we are just knowing about the concept of creating comment. So just making a heading for this, make this as a heading and just okay, and you just passing some label of heading. So we are just passing 3 label of heading with a hash, and just make a comment for printing hello world with the hash. This is the code, but we are just adding in front of the code hash. So this is the comment in Python. We have one line comment. This is the one line comment in the Python. You can execute this, no any output of this code. So this is the comment of Python in the Python, and after this we are just adding in after the code. So just print hello world, and after this we are just making a comment with this is the code to print hello. This is also a type of we are using heading, sorry, comment. So after this we are just knowing the concept of multi-line comment. We don't have a concept of multi-line comment in the Python. We are just making multi-line with in the each and every rows. We are just adding a hash. So for that, just writing this is the comment with hash, and after this in the next line we have also this is also the comment with hash. So you can see this is not a multi-line comment, but you can use this with hash. Okay, after this we are just knowing the concept of variables, assigning a value in the x variable x equal to 5. This is the type of integer, and after this we are assigning a value of a string type in y variable. So y equal to in string Amit. So these are our variables. There are two types of variable, integer and string, and print these variable like print x and also print y variable. So you can see the output is 5 and Amit. To execute this, so you can see 5 and Amit in the output. We are storing our values in the variables x and y. Also, if you want to knowing the concept of casting, so you just making a comment for casting. So just change the size of the heading. So our casting heading is done. So we are just x equal to string format 3. So just print the x. You can see the 3 is in the string format. Also, you can see we are assigning another variable y equal to int type 3. So you can see 3 is in the int format. You just print a y value. So you can see 3 is in the int format. Also, you are using the float casting. So you just passing the z equal to float 3. And after assigning this, we are just printing z. You can see 3.0 means this is the format of float. So this after this we are just knowing the concept of get the type. So for get the type we are assigning two variables. First one is x equal to 5, and the second one is y equal to Amit. Print the type of x after assigning this. Print type of x. So you can see the type of x variable is integer because we have stored 5 in the x, and the type of by is string. So you just write print type of y. Sorry, there are some errors. But type of x by is string. String type of my means we have storing Amit in the y variable. After this, we are storing the value of a is 4, and in the capital A we are storing Amit. So the knowing the concept of ASCII value, we are storing the different value in different variable, but the alphabet is same. We are printing a, so a print 4 value, because in the small a we are storing 4, and in the capital A we are storing string Amit. After this we are just learning the name of the valid variables, like variable valid name. So there are some different valid names for the variables. So first one is my variable. This is the normal small variable. My variable equal to Amit. And the second one is in the starting you are just using slash, and after this my and also slash and variable. And third one is my, in middle you just entering this, and also in this storing name. And the third one is starting with a small letter, but where V is capital. So this is also the format to store the variable value. And the next one is my, in all these but alphabets are in the capital. And in the last we are just storing my variable 3 equal to our name. We are also using numbers in the variables in the last, in the middle, but not in the starting. So these are our some valid variables, and these some invalid variables we are knowing about the also the invalid variable names. So just making a heading for this. Why we are making a heading? Because we learned after this video, so you can see the format of Jupyter file is looking good. So you are just storing the value in to my variable equal to Amit. So this is the not the format of variable assigning. This is the invalid variable. In the starting, you not use to means number. The another type is my slash variable. In the middle, you just not using the symbol, any other type of symbol. So this is another invalid type of variable. And the last one is in the middle you are using back white space. This is also the invalid type of variable. So this will also providing you error cannot assign to operator. Okay, sorry, this is the invalid syntax error. In the previous we are knowing the cannot assign to operator because we are using minus operator in the middle. So after this we are assigning the values for the variables in the one line with different variables with different value, like x y z equal to Bhopal, Indore, Jabalpur. We are assigning different values for different variable in the one line. So this is the syntax for this. So the Jabalpur. So you can see the x value. Sorry, this is not the valid syntax. Sorry for this. We are just printing x is Bhopal, and printing by is Indore, and the printing z is Jabalpur. Okay, these are our variables stored the values like Bhopal, Indore, and Jabalpur. After this, we are assigning the same value for different variables in one line. So x, y, z equal to x equal to y equal to z equal to Bhopal. This is the syntax for this. Just change with equal. You can see our variable is stored Bhopal in each and every variable x, y, z. So x equal to Bhopal, y equal to Bhopal, and z equal to Bhopal. So this is the concept of storing values in the variables, and we are knowing the concept of global variable. So for clearing the concept of global variable, we are assigning a value in the x equal to Amit and use this in the function. So the global variable are the type of variable we are assigning and implementing in the top of the code and use this in any other place, like in the function, in the loop, and any other place. So you can see we are assigning our value in the variable x, and after this we are making a function and use this in like my name is print the variable of x. Like you can see our function is printing the value my name is Amit. So this is the concept of global variable. So in the next video we are learning more about Python. So subscribe our YouTube channel Saksham Digital Technology. Thank you.